Nick, I feel awful. My head hurts and my throat feels so scratchy. Can you help me?
Oh no, Cheri. I'm sorry to hear that. A headache and a sore throat. It sounds like you have a cold. I think I have just a thing for you.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English with Cheri. I'm Cheri, and I'm feeling much better now.
And I'm Nick. It's great to have you with us.
Today, we are talking about a very important place, the pharmacy.
That's right. Going to a pharmacy can be stressful, especially if you don't feel well. Our goal today is to teach you some simple, useful phrases so you can feel confident when you need to buy medicine.
Exactly. So let's get started with our first phrase. What is it, Nick?
I have a headache.
I have a headache. I hate headaches. This phrase is simple. It just means your head hurts.
Exactly. For example, you can say to the pharmacist, "Hello, I have a headache." Or, "I have a headache. What can I take?"
Okay, everyone listening, let's say it together. I have a headache.
Great. Our next phrase is, "I have a cough."
Like that? A cough is the sound you make when your throat or chest feels bad.
That's the one. Two examples are, "My son is sick. He has a cough." Or, "I have a cough and I can't sleep."
Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. I have a cough.
Perfect. And the third phrase is very similar. I have a sore throat.
A sore throat. Sore means it hurts, right? So your throat, inside your neck, it hurts.
That's right. For example, "I have a sore throat and it hurts to talk." Or you can ask, "What is good for a sore throat?"
Your turn. Let's say it. I have a sore throat.
Okay, now you can explain your problem. The next step is to ask for help. You can say, "What can I take for this?"
This is a great question. It means, what medicine do you recommend?
Yes, so you can say, "I have a headache. What can I take for this?" Or simply, "What can I take for a cough?"
Let's ask together. What can I take for this?
Next is a question about the doctor. Do I need a prescription?
A prescription is a special paper from a doctor for medicine. So this question asks, do I need a doctor's paper to buy this?
Correct. For example, "I want to buy these pills. Do I need a prescription?" Or, "Do I need a prescription for this cough syrup?"
Okay, time to practice. Do I need a prescription?
Now, for two very important questions about instructions. The first is, how much should I take?
This asks about the quantity. 1 pill, 2 pills, 1 spoonful. It's very important to know.
Absolutely. You can ask the pharmacist, "How much should I take?" Or, "The medicine for my child, how much should she take?"
Let's ask this important question. How much should I take?
And the next question is related. How often should I take it?
How often means when and how many times. Once a day, twice a day, every 4 hours?
That's it. So you can ask, "How often should I take it?" Or you can say, "I should take 2 pills. How often should I take them?"
Okay, let's practice this one. How often should I take it?
And our last phrase for today is maybe the most useful phrase in English. Can you repeat that, please?
Yes. If you don't understand or the pharmacist speaks too fast, you can say this. It's always okay to ask someone to say it again.
For example, "I'm sorry, I didn't understand. Can you repeat that, please?" Or simply, "Can you repeat that, please?"
Let's say it together one last time. Can you repeat that, please?
Okay, excellent work, everyone. Now, let's use these phrases in a conversation. Cheri and I will do a role play. I will be the pharmacist, and Cheri will be the customer.
And I am not feeling very well. Again. First, we will speak very slowly and clearly. Ready, Nick?
Ready, let's begin. Hello, how can I help you?
Hi. I do not feel well. I have a sore throat and a cough.
I see. I recommend this cough syrup.
Okay. Do I need a prescription for this?
No, you do not need a prescription.
Good. How much should I take?
You should take 1 spoonful.
1 spoonful. Okay. And how often should I take it?
Take it every 4 hours.
Every 4 hours. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better.
Okay, great job listening, everyone. Now we will do the same conversation again, but this time at a more natural, normal speed.
Listen carefully. Here we go. Hello. How can I help you?
Hi, I don't feel well. I have a sore throat and a cough.
I see. I recommend this cough syrup.
Okay, do I need a prescription for this?
No, you don't need a prescription.
Good. How much should I take?
You should take 1 spoonful.
1 spoonful. Okay, and how often should I take it?
Take it every 4 hours.
Every 4 hours. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better.
See? It sounds a little different when it's faster. Now it's your turn to practice. I will ask you a question. You answer the question out loud. Ready? Okay. First question. Your throat hurts. What do you say?
You can say, I have a sore throat.
Next question. You want to know if you need a paper from the doctor. What do you ask?
You can ask, do I need a prescription?
Last one. You need to know when to take your medicine. Every 4 hours or every 6 hours. What do you ask?
You should ask, how often should I take it?
Wonderful job.
Now I want to talk about one common mistake that English learners make. It's not a grammar mistake. It is a communication mistake. The mistake is being afraid to say you don't understand.
Oh, that's a big one. Sometimes we feel shy or embarrassed if we don't understand.
Exactly. But with medicine, it is very, very important to understand the instructions. Taking the wrong amount of medicine can be dangerous. So the mistake is nodding and saying yes when you really don't understand.
So how do we fix this mistake?
You use a magic phrase. Can you repeat that, please? Pharmacists want to help you. They will be happy to explain again, maybe more slowly. It is always better to ask again.
That's great advice, Nick. Another situation that can be stressful is buying medicine for a child. The questions are even more important then.
That's a perfect example. Let's do one more role play. This time, you're a mother and your child is sick. I will be the pharmacist again.
Okay, I'm ready. My poor little boy is not feeling well.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, my son is sick. He has a cough and a fever. He feels very hot.
I'm sorry to hear that. How old is your son?
He is 4 years old.
Okay, for a 4-year-old, you need special medicine for children. This one is good for fever and cough.
Oh, okay. Medicine for children. Is it a liquid?
Yes, it is a liquid. It has a cherry flavor, so children usually like it.
That's good. How much medicine should I give him?
For a 4-year-old, you should give him 1 small spoon. The spoon is in the box.
1 small spoon. Okay, and how often should I give it to him?
You can give it to him every 6 hours, but do not give more than 4 times in one day.
Every 6 hours and not more than 4 times. I understand. Should I give it to him with food?
Yes, with food is a good idea. It's better for his stomach.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. I hope your son feels better very soon.
And scene. That was so helpful. Did everyone notice the important questions?
Yes, first Cheri told me the age of her child. This is the most important information. Medicine for adults can sometimes be dangerous for children.
Right. I said he is 4 years old. Then I asked about the dosage. How much medicine should I give him?
And the frequency. How often should I give it to him? The pharmacist will always give you very clear instructions for a child. It's a great time to use, "Can you repeat that, please?" if you are not sure.
Definitely. Don't be shy, especially when it's for your child's health.
That's great advice. I think our listeners have a really solid foundation now.
Yes, but sometimes the pharmacist gives you stronger medicine from a doctor. That is called a prescription.
Right. And when you receive prescription medicine, there are a few more important things you should ask about.
Yes, especially about side effects. Side effects are the other things a medicine can do to your body, besides fixing the main problem. For example, some medicine can make you feel sleepy.
Right. Other common side effects can be an upset stomach or feeling dizzy. So a great question to ask the pharmacist is, are there any side effects? Or what are the side effects of this medicine?
That's a very useful question. Let's practice it together. Are there any side effects? Exactly. It's so important to be informed. Another related term is allergic reaction. This is a very serious type of side effect. For example, if you get a skin rash or have trouble breathing after taking a new medicine.
That's a critical point, Cheri. You should always tell the pharmacist about any allergies you have. You can say, I am allergic to penicillin, for example. The pharmacist needs to know this to keep you safe. Let's quickly review the most important phrases. To explain your problem, you can say, I have a headache, I have a cough, or I have a sore throat.
To ask for help, you can say, what can I take for this? Or do I need a prescription?
And for instructions, remember to ask, how much should I take? And how often should I take it?
And if you forget everything, just remember the most important phrase. Can you repeat that, please?
Great summary, Cheri. Now we have a question for our wonderful listeners.
Yes. Now it's your turn to practice English. Go to the comments and tell us, what medicine do you take when you have a cold? Is it a pill, tea, or something special from your country?
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you for listening to English with Cheri.
We hope this lesson helps you feel more confident. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.